Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already completed chapter number 2. Now today we will start from the answer the following question. In this video, we will start from the question and answers. Let's start with the first question. What did Raju hope? Raju hoped to earn a lot of money. राजू ने किस चीज की होप की थी? राजू hoped to earn a lot of money. Move to the second question. Did Raju get what he wanted? क्या राजू को जो चाहिए था वो मिल गया था? Yes. राजू set off again to look for work. राजू जो चाहता था उसे मिल गया. Next. Why did Raju go to the lake? Students, in this story we had already discussed why did Raju go to the lake. Raju go to the lake to wash his face. वो क्यों गया था लेक के पास? ताकि वो अपना फेस वॉश कर सके. I repeat it again. Raju went to nearby lake to wash his face. Student, do this correction. Raju went to nearby lake to wash his face. Move to the next question. What was the squirrel doing? Squirrel क्या कर रही थी? The squirrel was dipping its tail into the water and then shaking it over the ground. The squirrel was dipping his tail again and again into the water, then shaking it over the ground. वो बार बार क्या कर रही थी? I repeat it again. What was the squirrel doing? The squirrel was dipping its tail into the water again and again, then shaking it over the ground. Move to the next question. What lesson did Raju learn from the squirrel? राजू ने क्या सीखा था स्क्वेरल से? राजू learned the lesson from the squirrel. He was never give up, so he set off again to look for work. Raju learned a lesson from the squirrel that he was never give up, so he set off again to look for work. Raju decide that he will never give up upon the work. वो कभी भी give up नहीं करेगा. Raju learned the lesson from the squirrel. He was never give up, so he set off again to look for work. राजू ने वापस डिसाइड किया था वो कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करेगा and he set off again to look for work. Students, this is your homework. You have to do question first to question 5 in your English first notebook. Okay, you have to do all these question answers in your English first notebook. Now move to the second slide. This is the filling the blanks. In filling the blanks, there are the some clue words. With the help of these words, you have to fill these blanks. First one. राजू सेट आउट टू लुक फॉर. राजू क्या ढूंढ रहा था? वर्क. WORK. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. राजू लेड डाउन अंडर अ ट्री टू टेक रेस्ट. राजू पेड़ के नीचे क्यों सोया था? क्योंकि उसे आराम करना था. Raju laid down under a tree to take rest. To take rest. Next, Raju decided to return home the next day. राजू ने घर जाने का कब सोचा था? Very next day. Next, next. Day. Day. The squirrel was dipping its. Squirrel क्या dip कर रही थी what lake में? Lake. That is tail. The squirrel was dipping its tail into the water and then shaking it over the ground. Ground. The squirrel was dipping its tail into the water and then shaking it over the ground. Move to the next one. The dash was trying to make the lake empty. कौन बार बार ट्राई कर रहा था लेक को एम्प्टी करने का? Squirrel. We will write here squirrel. The squirrel was trying to make the lake empty. Students, you have to do this filling the blanks in your notebook as well as in your book. Now move to the next question. Name the water sources shown below. Students, there are some pictures. You have to name them. Start with the first picture. This picture is, ये क्या पिक्चर शो कर रहा है? दिस इज पॉन्ड. ये क्या है? पॉन्ड. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज रिवर. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज लेक. Students, you have to draw these pictures in your English first notebook. This is your homework. Okay, move to the next one. This is, ये क्या है students? आप लोग अपने चाइल्डहुड में काफी इसको यूज करते थे. This is hand pump. HAND, hand pump. PUMP. Okay, next one. This is tube well. We will write here tube well. WELL. This is the tap, जिससे हम पानी यूज करते हैं. This is tap water. Tap water. I repeat it again. This is pond. This is river. This picture shows the lake. Next, this is hand pump. This is tube well. This is tap water. Students, you have to draw these pictures in your English first notebook. Move to the next question. Some words are used in pairs. Use the given words to complete the pairs. Students, आपको यहाँ पे कुछ pairs दे रखे हैं. You have to complete these words. First one, far and near. What is the meaning of far? It means दूर, काफी दूर. And near, इसका मतलब पास में. Next, here and there. We will write here there. THERE. Next, table and chair. We will write here chair. Students, in this clue box, there are some words. We have to fill this blanks. Next, rich and poor. POOR. Next, east and west. WEST. Next, hands and legs. Legs. Students, you have to do this exercise in your English first notebook as well as in your book. Move to the next one. Now, this is your grammar portion. In this story, we had already discussed the characters. Let's start with this exercise. This is, ये कौन था स्टोरी में? This is Raju. We will write here Raju. Next, this is the money bag. ये money bag किसका था? राजू का. Money bag. Next, this is squirrel. We will write here squirrel. Next, this is lake. We will write here lake. Next, given below in the list of name words, write the words in the correct row. Students, there are some words we have to put in the correct orders, correct rows. First one is squirrel, lake, tree, crows, banana, books, leg, cups, onion, potatoes. We have to put in the one and many. One and many. Students, squirrels, it means more than one. तो हम इसको कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? मैनी में. SQUIRRELS. Next, lake. Lake एक है. It means we will write in one. Next, tree. It is also one. We will write in one. Next, crows. More than one. We will write in many. Next, banana. We will write in one. Next, books. More than one. We will write in many. Move to the next one. Leg. We will write in one side. Next, cubs. More than one. Next, onion. We will write in one row. Next, potatoes. More than one. Students, you have to do this exercise in your English first notebook as well as in your book. And this exercise, a part you have to do in your book only. Move to the next page. Now, match one to its many. Let's start with the first one. Tooth, teeth. Next, foot, feet. Third one, man, men. Mouse, mice. Next, child, children. That is one and many. Okay, you have to do this in your book only. Move to the next exercise. Filling the blanks with one or many form of words as suitable. Students, there are some words, you have to use them and you have to fill this, filling the blanks. You can make 3 wish. First one is wish. This word. You can make 3 wish. Move to the second one. Wash your dash before you enter the temple. Wash your feet. Wash your foot before you enter the temple. Move to the next one. This dash works in a school. Woman works in a school. We will write here woman. Next one. I got 2 dolls on my birthday. I got 2 dolls on my birthday. Buy me some dash please. Buy me some brush please. We will write here brush. Next, I bought this mango from the market. M-A-N-G-O, mango from the market. Next, the sheep are grazing. Sheep क्या कर रही है? Graze कर रही है. Students, there are some corrections in this question. This will be wishes. Then it will be feet. Dolls, mangoes, let's start with the first one. You can make 3 wishes. Next, wash your feet before you enter the temple. Next, this woman works in a school. It will be same. Next, I got 2 dolls on my birthday. Buy me some mangoes. Next, I bought this brush from the market. Next, the sheep are grazing. The sheep are grazing. You have to do this exercise in your book only. This is your homework. Students, you have to do this question answers from 1st to 5th in your English first notebook. Then you have to do this filling the blanks in your book as well as in your notebook. Then you have to draw these pictures in your English first notebook and you have to write the name of every picture. Then you have to do this exercise A, write the names of this picture you have to do in your book only. Then this question you have to do in your English first notebook. And these 2 questions you have to do in your book only. That's all for today. Thank you, class.